What's up, YouTube? AMC here. Today I have a box break of 2016 Topps Archives Baseball Blaster Box. I picked this up at Target. For some reason, Target sent me a couple of coupons where it was like $5 off a purchase of $10 or more. So I got these at a pretty decent price compared to usual. Here are the odds if anyone wants to take a look at those. Pause the video. All right, let's see what we get. It does say one Bull Durham insert card per box, which I had never seen Bull Durham, and it came on TV. I think it came on like Stars or HBO or something like that, maybe like 2 weeks ago. So I did finally watch Bull Durham. It's pretty good. I like that other Kevin Costner movie, and I know you're thinking Field of Dreams, but there's another one called, I think it's called For the Love of the Game, and he's like a Detroit Tigers pitcher. I really like that baseball movie a lot too. I like Kevin Costner though. I mean, what can I say? Even the ones that people hate, the Waterworld and Postman, I love those movies too. All right, so here we go. We got Randy Johnson. There we go. There's the focus. Randy Johnson, Necro, Smith, Gong, Shelby Miller, Brandon Crawford, Jackie Robinson, Luke Jackson, Rondon, and Cabrera. You have Miguel Almonte, rookie, Wagner, Palmero, Polanco, Melanson, Colon, father, son, Sandy Alomar and Roberto Alomar. It's a cool insert. Carl Edwards Jr. and Rod Carew. All right, we have Jacoby Ellsbury, camera doesn't seem to want to focus today. There we go. Madison Bumgarner, George Springer, Ketel Marte rookie, John Gray rookie card, Jason Hayward, Carlos Martinez, Willie Stargell, Boudreaux, and Wilhelm. This might be the... no, I think I did a couple rack packs maybe of archives this year. This is just about the first I've really seen of it. Simmons, Wong, Tulowitzki, Seaver, Boylevin, Palmer. We got a Paul Goldschmidt. Cole Hamels, Craig Kimbrell, and a rookie card of Trace Thompson. Nice looking rookie card. I kind of like that. I think it's 91. I kind of like that Topps design. We have Irvin, Feller, Pollock, Blackman, Longoria, Yount, Ron Blomberg, 67 #1 draft pick, insert card, Stanton, Butler, and Iwakuma. I think the autos are like 1 in 60 packs, so you're looking at like roughly about, I don't know, about maybe like 7 blaster boxes, 7 or 8 blaster boxes. Stroman, Britton, Bunning, Seager, Sonny Gray, Shin-Soo Choo. We got a Jose Altuve, Beltre, Rendon, And Verlander. Verlander's had a really great year. Real bounce back year. Carlos Santana, Josh Harrison, Carpenter, Peterson, Tanaka, Chris Bryant. Oh, there's our Bull Durham insert. We got Jemmy, the good old church-going Jemmy, who ended up with a bit of a skank, a groupie. So there's Jimmy, Dallas Keuchel, Lucas Duda, and Matt Kemp. We have Trevor Plouffe, Carlos Carrasco, DJ LeMahieu, Hanley Ramirez, JD Martinez, Garrett Richards, Justin Bohr, John Franco, Cal Ripken Jr., and Aroldis Chapman as a Yankee. A very short-lived stay for Aroldis Chapman as a Yankee. So really, there wasn't a whole lot to note. I mean, Jimmy might have been our best card. Let me know what you guys think about Topps Archives. It's always better to go with hobby. I had a coupon, like I said, so I went ahead and got a blaster box. But you're always safer with hobby. So, anyways, guys, until next time, AMC out.